Test preparation. Civil engineering test. Subject: Irrigation engineering. Type: multiple choice questions. Part 1. Question number 1. The difference in level between the top of a bank and supply level in a canal is called: Option A, berm. Option B, board. Option C, height of bank. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, freeboard. Question number 2. Canals constructed for draining off water from waterlogged areas are known: Option A, drains. Option B, inundation canals. Option C, valley canals. Option D, contour canals. Answer is option A, drains. Question number 3. FSL of a canal at its head with respect to parent channel is kept: Option A, at the same level. Option B, 15 centimeters lower. Option C, 15 centimeters higher. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, 15 centimeters lower. Question number 4. The depth of the crest of a scouring sluice below the crest of a head regulator is generally kept: Option A, 0.20 meters. Option B, 1.20 meters. Option C, 2.20 meters. Option D, 3.20 meters. Answer is option B, 1.20 meters. Question number 5. Useful soil moisture for plant growth is: Option A, capillary water. Option B, gravity water. Option C, hygroscopic water. Option D, chemical water. Answer is option A, capillary water. Question number 6. The field capacity of a soil depends upon: Option A, capillary tension in soil. Option B, porosity of soil. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Answer is option C, both option A and B. Question number 7. The main cause of silting up a channel: Option A, non-regime section. Option B, inadequate slope. Option C, defective head regulator. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 8. A river training work is generally required when the river is: Option A, meandering. Option B, aggrading. Option C, degrading. Option D, all the above. Answer is option A, meandering. Question number 9. A hydraulic structure is designed to withstand: Option A, seepage forces. Option B, hydraulic jump. Option C, hydraulic pressure. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 10. If the optimum depth of core watering for a crop is 15.12 centimeters, the outlet factor for the crop for 4-week period in hectares per cubic is: Option A, 1000. Option B, 1200. Option C, 1400. Option D, 1600. Answer is option D, 1600. Question number 11. The most suitable section of a lined canal is: Option A, triangular section with circular bottom for small canals. Option B, trapezoidal section with rounded corners for large canals. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 12. Bed bars in a canal are provided: Option A, to watch the general behavior of canal. Option B, to measure the discharge. Option C, to raise the supply level. Option D, to control the silting. Answer is option A, to watch the general behavior of canal. Question number 13. Irrigation canals are generally aligned along. Option A, ridge line. Option B, contour line. Option C, valley line. Option D, straight line. Answer is option A, ridge line. Question number 14. The ratio of the rate of change of discharge of an outlet and parent channel is known as option A, efficiency. Option B, sensitivity. Option C, flexibility. Option D, modular limit. Answer is option C, flexibility. Question number 15. The velocity of drainage water in the barrels of a siphon aqueduct is normally limited to option A, 1 to 2 meter per second. Option B, 2 to 3 meter per second. Option C, 3 to 4 meter per second. Option D, 4 to 5 meter per second. Answer is option B, 2 to 3 meter per second. Question number 16. The depth of rice root zone is option A, 50 centimeters. Option B, 60 centimeters. Option C, 80 centimeters. Option D, 90 centimeters. Answer is option D, 90 centimeters. Question number 17. In a barrage, the crest level is kept. Option A, low with large gates. Option B, high with large gates. Option C, high with no gates. Option D, low with no gates. Answer is option A, low with large gates. Question number 18. The most suitable location of a canal head work is option A, boulders stage of the river. Option B, delta stage of the river. Option C, rock stage of the river. Option D, trough stage of the river. Answer is option D, trough stage of the river. Question number 19. A land is said to be waterlogged if its soil pores within. Option A depth of 40 centimeters are saturated. Option B, a depth of 50 centimeters are saturated. Option C, root zone of the crops are saturated. Option D, all the above. Answer is option C, root zone of the crops are saturated. Question number 20. The topsoil of a waterlogged field becomes more alkaline and infertile if its pH value is option A, 5. Option B, 7. Option C, 9. Option D, 11. Answer is option D, 11. Thanks for watching video.